St. Andrew High School for girls said no edges in schools. And me realize that most people have bashed the school and all these things, but can I add something before they bash the school? Think, why would an institution put this in place? Don't you think the institution has enough information based on years or months of observing students and understanding that, you know what, this is a distraction? This is something that the students are focusing more on instead of focusing on the schoolwork. I've heard teachers complain that the young ladies are more focusing on running to the bathroom every second, every minute to fix the edges. Every second, every minute, have mirror in front of them face to fix edges instead of focusing on what they're there to do, which is learn. Again, instead of trying to attack the school, try to think, why would the school do this? But yeah, I almost forgot. Ensure that you like, follow, share. If you're seeing this on anywhere except YouTube, please to go over to my YouTube and follow me, alright? kthoughts876.